Stage number 4, your results, conclusion and evaluation stage. Each of these are marked separately. They're given 8 marks each, with the remaining marks going for your coherence and length. So let's talk about each. For your results, you need to give me 4 results. Don't forget the units. You can be 5 or 6, but there's going to be 4 at 2 marks each. Your conclusions, again, 4 conclusions, and these conclusions will be for the activities that you completed. Be careful. Them conclusions should be linked to the title of your field investigation. So for instance, if your field investigation looks at transportation and deposition, we'll talk about them in your conclusions. And finally, the section students often struggle with, the evaluation. Here's some tips. There should be 4 parts to your evaluation at 2 marks each. So here's an easy kind of summary of that. Tell me, did you achieve your aims? Was the methods you used efficient or effective? Was your sample size large enough? Give me maybe 2 issues, but issues with solutions. So for instance, was it a windy day and was the, measuring tape going wild in the wind? Next time, could you use laser equipment? If you used maybe something like a meter stick to measure the length, the long axis of a rock, could next time you use a calipers to be more efficient? These are examples, but again, you'll have your own individual. Just be extremely careful. You cannot use the same issues as you had in stage number 3, your gathering of information stage. They have to be different. Finally, the last thing I put in my evaluation is a future thinking point or a forward thinking point. If you were to repeat this field investigation, what would you do differently next time? It could be something you would like to study. Maybe if you were looking at transportation deposition, as I said, you'd like to actually look at erosion as well. Maybe you'd like to go on to 2 different sites to see what the impacts were in both, instead of just one. A future thinking point, something you do differently. So again, 8 marks for results, 8 marks for conclusions, 8 marks for evaluation, and the rest is for your coherence and length.